Welcome to everyone. This is going to went a special session especially for the students. Are any one of you go off preparing for the exams? Since very soon it's going to be a exam season of the youth and kids. This exclusively presented for enhancing energetic youth power and parents network. Exam success affirmation to reprogram our mind. The students may even listen to these, closing your eyes and deeper focus to these words, enhancing their energy while going through set of affirmations. These will help you to remove all exam anxieties and manifest the huge exam success, not just for the exam and also for getting more focus for studying. This will supercharge your ability to perform in exams and to make you completely. Wishing you best of the best, manifesting get great huge exam success in yours. My dear friends, let the affirmation begins now. I am the successful person. I am succeeding at studying. I am succeeding in my exams. I am releasing all that may have. I am released and I am free and I am allowing my exam success totally now. I am allowing myself to absorb all the information I need to success my exam. I am allowing my memory to be sharp. I am giving the permission to myself to perform with excellence in my exams. I am allowing myself to get a high grade that I deserve. I am allowing myself to be successful. I am allowing my happiness. I am allowing myself to be all that I can be. This is the permission to excel in all the title. I am allowing my fulfillment. I am worthy of succeeding at exams. I am worthy of being all that I can be. I am success. I am smart. I am intelligent. I am capable. I am enjoying the subjects I am studying. I am easily understanding what I study. I am retaining what I am studying. I am loving learning. I am always focused when I study. I am studying hard and regularly. I am preparing for exams systematically and intelligently. I am ready for my exams when I take them. I am prepared and calm when I take my exams. I am loving taking exams. I am finding exams fun. I am always relaxed during my exams. During my exams, I recall informations quickly and easily. My memory is sharp. I am natural at taking exams. Exam success easily to me. During my exams, I am answered the questions expertly. Getting good grades, it's so natural for me. I am passing all my exams easily. During exams, distractions don't disturb me. I succeed even in stressful situations. I am good at turning my nervous feelings into highly confidence. I thrive under pressure. I always stay focused during my exams. I pass my exams with flying colors. I am working hard and smart during my exams. I am confident in my ability to study effectively. I am confident in my ability to succeed in exams. I am forward to great results in my exams because I know I will achieve them. I always pass exams with flying colors. I always get good grades. I always stay focused on my studies. I began studying well before exams are scheduled. Studying hard comes naturally to me. With every passing day, I am becoming more successful at studying. With every exam I set, I am sharpening my skill. I love the challenge of tough exam too. While writing answers in exams, I recall information quickly. I am an excellent student. I am an excellent youth. I am powerful. I am a powerhouse. I am dedicated to being the successful student. I am superb in taking exams. I am a master of exam success. I am believing in myself. I am believing in my ability to succeed at exams. I am an extraordinary successful person. I am responsible. I am talented. I am awesome. I am a gifted student. Being a student is all about learning, and I love learning. I feel good about myself and preparations for exams. I have a perfect memory and I can recall easily. I perform in exams with excellence. I am blessed. I am blessed with a great brain. I am blessed. I am blessed with great heart. I am blessed. I am blessed with being myself. I am blessed. I am blessed with extraordinary ability to recall informations. I am blessed. I am blessed with an incredible ability to perform exams. I am blessed. I am grateful. Thank you. Thank you for the love of learning. Thank you for my natural talents and ability. Thank you for my self-belief. Thank you for my dedication. Thank you for my study success. Thank you for my exam success. Thank you for my happiness. Thank you for my enthusiasm. Thank you for my energy. Thank you for having wonderful parents. Thank you for having great teachers. Thank you for all those we have good intention to make me successful. Thank you for all the hard work. Thank you for my being all that I can be. Thank you for my fulfillment. Thank you, thank you, thank you. With that we conclude. Let's listen to this as many times you can at least once or twice a day. Wishing easy of you best of the best. You are the best of the best. If one can do, everyone can do. You can also do. If you are the parent, play this with your children. Let them listen to all these powerful words which will make them most stronger and stronger. Love you all. God bless you all. You can, you win.